What? Where is Rosie?
Time to die. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no, please don't kill me.
I have to, you keep grounding me.
That's because you're a little spoiled brat.
But I'll make a deal, if you unground me, I won't kill you.
Fine, you are ungrounded, you little scooped girl. Ow, I'm dying.
Good, one is dead, now time for the other two. Rosie, you are still grounded, go back to your room. No, yes, no, yes, no, you know what? I like your cut G. Ow, I'm dying. Ha 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 ha. Good, now time for the brat Kaylau. Hello, time to die.
Not for long.
Ow, I'm dying. Ow 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 ow.
Oh no, looks like Mummy is dead. Let me use this potion to bring her back.
Kaylau, you saved me.
Yeah, Daddy is dead. I will go bring him back too.
Okay.
Kayla, you saved me, thank you.
You're welcome.
Meanwhile with Rosie.
I'm in hell. No 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 no.